Alright guys, just put everything into perspective. This is an 18-inch scale right here. Look at this bad boy. It's an 18-inch scale. Way bigger than 18 inches, guys. Get it right there, guys. 18-inch scale. There's the whole fish again. Nice one, huh? About 18.5 inches right now. Nice one, guys. Look at that. Alright, guys. By myself. Success right now. I can tell you, but look at this guy right here. What a nice one. Look at that bad boy. Just caught him right now. Look at that bad boy. Ooh, nice one, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Successful now. Hold yourself. Ooh, nice one.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
This one out of the day.
The day at the lake, guys. The E-rig. Right here. All good as what? 7-8 pounder. Alright, guys. Look at it. Here we go. Hey, Nick. First one today?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got working with.
That may be a keeper.
Let's see. Hold it on, Nick. Here it is, bud. Try to get another one. Alright. I'll keep her, but I'll do.
It is a keeper.
Try it again, right?
Got it?
It's all good. Look clear. Oh, shit, guys. Look at that guy right there. Keeper, Yali. You think?
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Yeah? On the E-rig.
Yeah.
Try it. Let's measure it. It works, guys. So here's the F. So tournament proven. Let's measure it.
No, no.
Works. Let's see if we could be pot. Oh shit! Look at that bad boy, Lee. Could have been tournament. Today, you guys are lucky day.
It just feels big with all that stuff on there. Huh?
Okay. Oh, guys. Another one on the A-rig. Work, guys. Another one. Listen. Check it out, guys. Today, we're not going to keep them. Let's see what we got. Check this out, guys. Nice little. How much time you think, guys? There. Yeah, I just got a lip. Right, today probably good. What, 3 pounds?
3 pounds.
Today we're let him go. All right, guys. Got it?
Yeah.
First cast of the day. You won already. Check it out, guys. First cast. All right. Another one.
Yeah.
There it goes. Woo. There you go, guys. Good size one.
Looks like a keeper.
Yeah, nice little fat one. Look at that screen. Got another one, guys. Little fish on the E-rig again. Got him on the Kitech this time. Damn. We're gonna do what today? Likuia, guys. Catch and release today. That's the biggest one today, man.
That's how we do it. Look at
Catch and release, guys. Good job. The man right here, the captain. Oh shit. There's a big one, guys. Look at this.
another one, Aicha. Oh, that was a good size, didn't you?
Ooh, Korea. Korea. We're talking about, look at that. Got like 10 keepers right here. Look at that bad boy right there, guys. Alright, guys, that's how we do it.
Catch and release.
There he is. Catch and release, guys. Korea all day long. Come on, come on, guys.
Come on. Hey, don't let it jump. Yeah, he's a good
Hold on. All right, guys. That's right, Lee.
Let's see how big it is.
Pull it out, Lee.
Oh,
there we go.
goes on.
Likuia, keeper.